Your challenge is simple. Measure exactly 4 liters of water. But there's a catch. You only have a 5-liter bucket and a 3-liter bucket. No markings, no scale. No room for error. First, fill the 5-liter bucket to the brim. Now, pour it into the 3-liter bucket until it's full. Stop. You are left with exactly 2 liters in the large bucket. Empty the 3-liter bucket. It's done its job. For now. Take those 2 liters and move them into the small bucket. This leaves exactly 1 liter of empty space in the 3-liter container. Fill the 5-liter bucket back to the top. This is where the magic happens. Pour from the 5-liter into the 3-liter. It only takes 1 liter to fill it. 5 minus 1 is 4. Exactly 4 liters, measured with perfect logic. You have 3 containers, 10 liters, 7 liters, and 3 liters. The 10-liter jug is full. Your goal? Divide this into 2 equal portions of exactly 5 liters each. First, pour from the 10 into the 7, then 7 into the 3. You now have 3, 4, and 3. Pour the 3 back into the 10. Now you have 6 in the 10 and 4 in the 7. Move the 4 from the 7 into the 3. It only takes 3. Now you have 1 liter left in the 7. Pour the 3 back into the 10. You have 9 in the 10, 1 in the 7, and 0 in the 3. Move that 1 liter into the 3-liter jug. Now, fill the 7-liter jug from the 10. 9 minus 7 leaves 2. So you have 2 in the 10, 7 in the 7, and 1 in the 3. The final move. Pour from the 7-liter into the 3-liter. Remember, the 3-liter only has room for 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Finally, pour those 3 liters back into the 10. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 and 5. Perfect symmetry.